Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making 5 flavored jelly drinks. Let's get started. In the mixing cup, add in hot black coffee, 10 grams konjac jelly powder, 20 grams sugar. Stir well, then pour the coffee jelly into the glass cup. Remove the big bubbles and place the jelly in the fridge until it becomes firm. Next, strain in the saucepan, add in 250 ml water and 10 grams Ceylon black tea. Boil the black tea until the fragrance comes out. Place a fine mesh strainer over the cup and pour in the hot tea. Add in 10 grams konjac jelly powder, 20 grams sugar, and stir well. Lastly, transfer the Ceylon tea jelly in the glass cup and set it in the fridge. For the next flavors, we will make fruit jelly. I will blend half of a fresh mango with 250 ml water. Pour the mango juice through the strainer, then add in 10 grams konjac powder and 20 grams sugar in the saucepan. Bring the mango jelly to simmer and pour it on the glass cup. You can use this method for pretty much any other fruits that you can think of. Finally, pour in whole milk and coconut milk. The milk jelly cold drinks are ready. I made one with dragonfruits and another one with blueberries. This is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!